Hi, how are you? This is Tieh Kuan Yin. Let's see. I prepared Tieh Kuan Yin Hong Cha for everybody today. Of course, this is Zhang Nai Miao Hong Cha. Sure, why not? We open the new one. Every time I prepare new one for everybody. Mila, the tea leaf is black tea, beautiful black tea, the tea leaf, very good. Don't forget Zhang Nai Miao Hong Cha. Of course, I will tell you about the Zhang Nai Miao Hong Cha, Tieh Kuan Yin Hong Cha later. Let's brew tea first. Of course, you need to prepare the tea set and brew tea with me, please. And don't forget Hong Cha black tea. We need to use high temperature. Okay, after we warm the tea set, we put the tea leaf in. It's so beautiful tea leaf. Yes. Of course, we need to 闻香 before brew first time. Okay, this is first brew. It depends on the tea, the time, of course, different. Different tea need different time for brew. It's ECO TEA ART. After first brew, it's still very beautiful. And the second time, every time different time. Don't forget, special for black tea, we need short time. Mila, the color is so beautiful. Beautiful black tea. Of course, que rico. And now it's the second time. We must be careful the tea leaf. And the second time, need to pocket short time than first brew. Then the black tea will be more sweet, like honey. Como honey, como miel, como miel. If you use the correct brewing way, you can get the Greco black tea. Como honey. Second time, we need just a little longer. Then a little longer. Only the second brew need to pay attention. Oh, I do my best. I brewed 7 times already now. And all of them look so beautiful. Then I brew again because it's so good tea. Even after 9 times, Mira, wonderful. Where do you understand very well about the Tieh Okay, one is Tieh just Tieh Tieh is in Taiwan and very traditional process for Tieh And I think you remember I told you and we did brew the 正统铁观音. The process of them was two. They are same process, traditional process of 铁观音. But 正统铁观音 is used the tea tree is also called 铁观音. So it means 铁观音 is name of tea tree and also name of tea. Okay, and we also have a 铁观音红茶. 铁观音红茶 use 铁观音 tea tree and of course black tea process. So 红茶 is black tea. 铁观音 black tea. Then you understand them. They are from same process tea master. He is very famous for them. I will introduce them, their tea farm, their family, their tea plantation, everything. Bye bye.